Hello, my loves! It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my brand new planner lineup. So I am going to go ahead and find my journal. I did make all these brand new cutouts. These are just out of a cardboard, and I use my Cricut, and I absolutely love them. And I'm going to go into my journal, and let's pull that up. My journal is now the Sophisticated Florals, and we are going to be planning for the week of June 28th through July 4th. Okay, let me pull out the pages. And thank you so much for joining me. If you have just found my channel, welcome. I really do hope you like it here. If you subscribed already, oh my gosh, thank you so much. And I also hope you will continue to like being here. I am going to be using the Wanderlust sticker book today. It's the brand new book from Live Love Posh. I love her stickers, as you guys already know, because I use them quite often in my plan with me's. I think I'm gonna use a lilac. I really like it. This violet lilac or lavender. It could be actually both. Look how beautiful this is. And I am going to add some washi, as I always promise myself that I'm going to be using washi in my plans because I have so many and I've really been trying and I've been doing quite well. So as long as I remind myself to use washi, we are all good. Okay. Isn't this washi with polka dots so cute? When I saw I knew I need this, it is absolutely adorable. And then I'm gonna grab some more washi and add the purple to this. I want to make sure that it has this beautiful layered purple on top. Okay, let's pick some washi. I can pick this one. Sorry, my hair is like popping in here. And this one. Yeah, those two are good. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the floral one because it makes most sense to match with these. And I'm gonna layer them on top of these dots. Kind of create a different look. And I'm going to do the same thing on the one I already laid down. And I want to use this really big sticker. And I'm going to put some washi down first in that section. So this is going to be a pretty big week for me. I am closing on my home possibly on the 2nd of July. So that will be a really fun celebration for me. I'm really excited. So I will probably need a little bit of room to write on those days or that week. And then not only that, but I mean, there's just so much going on. And we have a holiday, and I'm still adjusting to my new job. I've only been there for about a month and a half, well, 2 months now. So little by little, my life is coming together. I am very excited. Okay. Also, did you guys buy anything from the new release that came out yesterday? As you probably expected, I bought quite a bit. I am pretty excited about the memory lane, the memory keeping line. I have a big memory planning sitting on my shelf that's undated that I haven't used. I've been waiting to move into the new house to kind of have a new craft room and do some memory planning starting then, but who knows what I'm going to do, right? So I probably will not use that big planner or use it in conjunction with the ones that are coming out now. They're so cool looking, especially because you don't really have a planner, you have more of a actual album pages, which is awesome. Okay, I know this washi thing is taking forever, but I really like the way it looks. And I like the dots too, but I also like the fact that the purple kind of overlays everything. Okay, so I'm just cutting the edge. I'm not putting more purple there because I'm gonna put a flower on top. I am so excited of how plain this planner is. Even though there's that nude color on top, that doesn't really bug me at all. So I am not changing those, especially for my journal, which before I had those huge flowers and colors in my planner. This is a humongous step up. Okay, so I'm gonna add a flower in the corner right there. Like so. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, and I'm gonna add a quote. So the quote says, "Nature is painting for us day after day pictures of infinite beauty." and the quote is by John Ruskin, and this is just so beautiful. And I do need one more thing, like in that Sunday corner, to make sure it looks complete, and then it all shall be okay. Let's see. Okay, I think I am done. I hope you guys like this. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. I am really enjoying all of this lavender in my spreads. And you guys already know that I am obsessed with Live Love Posh stickers. I mean, how gorgeous is this? I am getting ready to give away one of her books again. So make sure you stay tuned for the next giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!